Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, Friday kind of snuck up on us this week, and we'll have export sales today and see how much wheat is being sold. Again, that particular demand is lagging expectations because Russia continues to offer wheat for export. Russia continues to be the dominant feature in the wheat market, and lack of any news about them slowing exports has really weighed a lot on the wheat market. It seems to be the only thing that wheat is trading. As far as soybeans are concerned, a little weaker tone overnight. I think three things. Number one, the trade will be watching next week's USDA report to see if they increase the soybean crop as most analysts are looking for. Secondly, there's no resolution to the U.S.-China trade dispute, so I think that could add a little bit of weakness to the marketplace as we go into harvest. Again, the cash basis levels are fairly weak right now compared to normal, especially in the West, where there's no program of beans going off to P&W to China. As far as the last thing is concerned, we'll be watching pretty closely the Argentina situation with export taxes down there, raising concern about just what farmers are going to do, what Argentina is going to do. Basically, they're broke and looking for a way to come up with some money to pay for bills to get some IMF bridge loans. As far as the corn market is concerned, again, trade looking at what the USDA will do next week, and also President of the United States is talking about putting sanctions on Japan. Japan is the second largest buyer of U.S. corn, and so that could raise some concern about demand of corn to Japan. So again, USDA report and any possibility of new sanctions may be weighing on the corn market. As far as weather is concerned, a pretty active rain event across the central part of the Midwest the next couple of days. Next week looks warm and dry, which is perfect for what the crop needs to start final maturation and get the harvest going. As far as any other particular news, I think that we are watching the outside markets pretty closely, seeing if these trade issues has a drag on the financial markets, see what currency, US dollar, may have impact on global demand, and also just kind of seeing if there needs to be kind of a shot in the stock market to maybe bring the US and China closer to the trade table. So we'll just kind of see how all those things affect the CRB index and how that trickles down to commodity prices, and see if soybeans is a drag also to that side of the grain side of the CRB index. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.